What's up, YouTube? It's me, Big Boy Truckers from the old channel. I'm back again. But I had to switch my name on my Google account. Don't mind that. My bro's on the bed over here. Don't mind him on the bed acting silly. But we're at my friend Daryl's house. He has pretty cool stuff. Anyway, let's take you over to his handcuff collection over here, everybody. So take a look at all those. They're all real too. Down there, even down there, there's about 206 handcuffs here, but there's 2 in his belt right here. They're crazy. Yeah, look down here. There's even some down there, but there are a lot of handcuffs here. I'm just saying. So many. My favorite are those ones here and those. Pretty cool, eh? Those are all handcuffs in here. So, let me take you to the next area and show you guys all of my friends' handcuff collection. Here's some more coming down here. Crazy, eh? Crazy. Crazy, guys. This is crazy, man. But anyway, that's about like what my friend collects. He collects his handcuffs, man. And women of all ages. It's crazy. So, do me a big favor if you guys can or whatever. Subscribe to Daryl Havens, the Critter Hunter, on YouTube. It shows a redhead talking about handcuffs and stuff, and he's a pretty cool guy. I am good friends with this guy here, and I love him a lot, and oh yeah, so yeah, but do me a big favor, like I said, do that, and thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you love my video, and if you love my friend's collection, let me know if you like it, because I mean, this is his biggest collection he ever had. He started when he was younger, and now look at him. He's like 23 now, and he has 206 handcuffs. So this is crazy. So, but yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll talk to you guys. Peace.